should you pick? Well, these are coming with the integrated processor, the V1 processor, which is gonna give you improved sound quality, and it gives you supporting the LDAC codec. So this can also support additional codecs, crystal clear call quality because it has improvements, because it's not going to pick up the ambient noise, it's going to try to only pick up the sound of your voice. Secondly is IPX4 water resistance. It has 8 hours of battery life with the case. It's additional, I think it's additional 10 hours, so it's 18 hours total. You have Alexa enabled. This is Alexa enabled, so you can use it for music information, and you can activate it with simple touch. They look like this out of the box. So they look like this out of the box. A really good and honest, this is one of the best earbuds you can buy. It will come with foam tips. The foam tips will make a tighter seal in your ear relative to like a silicone tip. So these tips, they give you 3 different sizes, a small, medium, and large. These are mediums. They also create a very good passive seal in your ear. Now, how do they compare to something like the Bose? The Bose is going to have the largest case, right? This is the largest case. I personally think the Bose, the sound quality is where I love it. The noise canceling is some of the best I've experienced, even compared to these. I do think that the Bose noise canceling in my ear, it just helps me relax. So this is kind of, all of them will have variable levels. So this adjustable, 50 levels of adjustable noise canceling here, 11 on both the Sony and the Bose. In the ear, these come with this is their patented design that goes into your ear, right? So this is my right ear. So this is what it looks like in your ear. And if you're looking for something to read audible books, if you're looking to listen to jazz, really rich, complicated music, this is going to be a really solid choice. The Sonys as well. Now the Sonys in here look a little bit more slim, and I can put them in here to show you. So, this is the wrong side. Wrong side. So this is the right side. So the battery is fully charged. It has a really soft voice. And very comfortable in the ear. You wouldn't even know. Now the question is, well, what about the $79 version? What is the Panasonic delivering to you? Well, this is going to deliver a very similar performance. Now, do I think if the sound quality is going to be exactly like the Sony and the Bose? No. But I think the value is definitely here. The active noise canceling is very good. I would say that it really does block out a lot of noise that at this price way, you would not be used to getting active noise canceling this good. The sound quality is good. The real clear-cut difference to me in terms of features is that the Sonys and the Bose are going to be better for making calls. So if you use them and you're going to be taking calls on them as well, the Sonys and the Bose, they have specific technology and software engineered to give you better call performance. Here, they're not giving you don't have that same type of technology, but in terms of audio, Panasonic makes great headphones, great earbuds, and I think this is a real good value. So worth checking out all 3. I think if you're going for the latest and the greatest, it's the Sonys. If you're going for pure comfort, and this is going to just be something like you take traveling, your audible books, rich, you go with your Bose. And if you're going for value, the Panasonics are really good value. So this is your options. I'm presenting it to you, and thanks for checking them out. QuietComforts, Sonys. Even if I put the QuietComforts and if I put the Sonys and the Panasonic together, they're together, and the Bose.